Hey guys, today I will show you how can you interpret your log data. I have my data from software called Pyren, but have similar experience with ForScan software. Let's get started. The easiest way is to create some kind of chart in Excel. I have few types of data logged: shifter, temps, different states. So we will take a look at something easy to show. I will take my timestamps and move it down. Next I will take the engine RPM and move it besides the timestamps. Like this. And now we will create chart by highlighting our data. Let's go to Insert tab. Select Recommended Charts. Go to All Charts and select Line Type. I went with one with markers. And there it is. We have our values on the left side, and time on the bottom side. This is very fast and simple way to interpret your logs. But what would you think will happen to your graph with this many entries? It will be so big you would have problem to read it. Or few thousands of entries like this one. And you still can see only one type of data. For something like this you can use program called Log Viewer. And I will show you how to install it and use it. We will visit epifonsoft.com. Go to Log Viewer. Downloads. And download the software. We can install it. And done. Go to File. Click Open Log File. Now we can find our CSV files. And open it. Maximize our window. And there it is. Up here we can select which parameters we want to see. Selected parameters will show lower on graphs. If you want to see value of some parameter at exact time, go with your mouse on the spot or use left click. Value will be shown in yellow rectangle. If you want to see other values at selected time, you have to drag windows from the right side. Now you can see all of the values at selected time. That's all from me. I hope you found this video educational, and will help you fix your stuff. Thank you for watching.